Hello guys, this is the part 4 of audio player app series. Here we will design player activity. This is the activity what we will design here in this tutorial. So this is the seek bar. Let's get started. Open Android Studio. First of all, we will have to add vector assets in drawable folder. Right click on it and select new and vector assets. Add some vector sets, say chevron left, and edit its rename and next finish. Add some more vector sets like play, pause, next, and menu buttons like this. Now I will skip video for a while. You can see all the vector sets have been added. Now change this repeat on to blue and shuffle on to blue. Now go to the Java file and in our package create new activity, empty activity. New empty activity and change this name to player activity. Now finish. Now Gradle syncing now finished. Go to the activity player and change this constraint layout to relative layout. Now give it an id m container and background will be a drawable, so let's create a new drawable resource file. We will name this to main bg and its root element will be shape. Go to the code editor and solid color primary and close. Now in background add this main bg as a drawable and orientation will be vertical. Now create another relative layout which have width match parent and height of 60 dp. id will be, let's say, layout top button and background. Let's create another drawable resource direct file gradient bg and its root element also will be shape and gradient start color primary dark, angle will be 90 degree and close this. Now add this drawable resource to relative layout and now align parent top. Where is this? Align parent top to true and close this. dp and height is also 30 dp. Given an id will be back button. Now src drawable ic chevron left and align parent start to true. Change its color white. Close this. Force refresh layout. Now you can see there is a back button and center vertical to true. Now close this and we will create a text view for now playing. Layout width will be match parent and height will be wrap content. Layout center vertical to true and text now playing, and text color will be color accent, which is white. Layout to start off, id back button and gravity to center horizontal, and change this to start off to end off. Now this is good. Now background will be transparent. Text size will be 18sp and text style, let's say bold. Now close this tag and copy the above image view codes and paste it below for menu buttons. Now give an id menu button and the drawable IC menu, align parent end to true so that it will align to end of the parent, and change its color to white. Now force refresh so that we can see the color is changed. Text view is not aligned center. Now given more attribute to start off, id menu button, now it is centered. Now and also create another relative layout. Width will be match parent and height of 350 dp. This is for cover art, and id of card. Layout below, layout top buttons, it will be position it to layout below of now playing. Added another image view which have width and height of match parent and src of image that is in drawable folder, and scale type to center crop. Now give an id of cover art, close this tag, and also create another image view for gradient effect above cover art, width of match parent and height of 250 dp, and give an id let's say image view, gradient, and src that we have already created, gradient bg, and layout around align parent bottom to true. Now go outside of this relative layout and create another text view which have layout width of match parent and height of app content, and text, let's say this is song name, where we will give song names, titles, and id will be, let's say, song name, and layout below id the card that we have already given the id to relative layout, and text color, let's say color accent, and gravity to center horizontal. Text size 20sp, change this to 22sp, and text style will be bold. Single line to true, it will be single in line, and ellipse lip size to true at end. Then margin start, let's say 32 dp, and margin end also 32 dp. Now close this, copy this text view and paste below for singer, song singer artist, and below the song name remove the text size, text style delete this, and margin start 40 dp and end is also 40 dp. This is song artist, and that's it. Now create relative layout for buttons, play, pause, next, and etc. Give an id relative layout for buttons, align parent bottom to true. Now align parent end is also true, and align parent start is also true. Background gradient pg that we have already created in drawable folder. Close this and create another image view with width and height of 35 dp. id shuffle, this will be shuffle button. src shuffle off, and layout center vertical, change its color to white again. Force refresh. Now you can see, let's give align parent start to true and layout margin start to be 32 dp. Now we are going to add floating action button for play and pause buttons. Floating action button, and width will be wrap content and height is also wrap content, and give an id play, pause, and now src will be, let's say, ic play, and layout center horizontal to true, and center vertical is also true, focusable true, clickable true. Now copy this image view and paste here for skip previous button. Change this to skip previous drawable, and to start of ic play, pause, change its color to again white. Close this, force refresh to see the color, and margin end will be 32 dp. Change this to 16 dp. Now again copy these two image views and paste below floating action button for next and repeat buttons. id will be next, id next, and skip next to start off. Margin start 16 dp. Again changing the color. Now change its id to id repeat, and drawable repeat off. Change the color to white. Now to add one more attribute, align parent end to true, and margin end to be 32 dp. Now we have to delete this line to start off, and everything is fine now. Now I'm going to gradient bg in drawable to change the color of gradient from color primary dark to color primary, so it will merge to the background of container. In the next video tutorial we will add seek bar. Thanks for watching.